choice. Looking for a pretty fire pit. I don't see one. Yeah, this is good. This is good even if it rains, which it could. It could rain hard tonight. Look at the blackberries. This would be a place a bear would visit, because their mama teaches them where the berries are and when. I'm very excited. Very excited. I am hungry and thirsty. I need the bug spray. Watch me get ready with the bug spray. Somebody left it nice and neat. I like that. We'll pack out the plastic. It doesn't burn very well. All the bushes are wet because it poured rain. Look at this, my friends. What a jackpot! That's why I say bears could be by tonight. I'll set out the camera with the motion sensor. Look at this. Oh no. Right. Got it. Didn't drop it. Getting the hang of it, or I am, whichever comes first. Let's walk down to the river and get some water. Look at this. These blackberries are already consumed because they ripened. Look at this. Everything is so lush because of all the rain we've had. It's been just perfect. Perfect. I heard it was drier early in the year. I think July and August have been very rainy here in the Adirondacks, and so you've just got more life force. Listen, you can hear a car out on the road about a quarter-mile away at the most. Hello, bear. Coming down here to have a look and grab some water out of the river. So I'm giving you the courtesy of yakking it up on the trail. so you can get out of the way without being surprised. Look at this massive, oh my gosh. If a white pine doesn't get full sunlight on a branch, it kills off that branch. So you have dead limbs, which are excellent firewood. Those big branches die because of lack of light, and that's why a mature white pine has this spacing between the branches that is so beautiful. I'm going to get in there just to give you a human scale next to this massive, beautiful. I wanted to figure out how old this tree was, so I used the formula growth rate times diameter equals the age of the tree. So the diameter I estimate to be 40 inches. 40 times 5 equals 200 years old. Sprouted in 1821. I have no idea why it didn't get logged when all the other trees around it that were the same size got logged. So it was sizable when the loggers came through, and I bet they logged and waited for a spring flood to wash all the logs down in a log drive. But you'll see, Boreas River is small, shallow, rocky. It's not the ideal for, look at this patch of mushrooms. Very good year for mushrooms. If you know what they are, leave a comment. Also, if you know what these are, they don't look like the blueberries I know, because the foliage doesn't match at all. I'm not eating them. I'm just admiring how nature fills every gap with variety of all kinds. Grab a gallon of water, which will need to be filtered. Can't play around with that. I've set up my version of a minnow trap. See the minnows down there? Beautiful clear water. I used pieces of Pop-Tart to get these minnows all excited, and right near my pot there's some Pop-Tart in there too. They might just go in there to feed. When they do, I'll quickly close the lid and lift up the pot, and then I'll have minnows for bait. But I already got night crawlers, so I'm going to rig up my fishing rod and I'm going to wade out there. It's cold water, but I got water shoes and I don't want to put on my waders and then find I'm overheating. So what I'm wearing is what I'm doing in this beautiful, beautiful place. Trout are really skittish because when they live in a river like this, birds of prey can swoop in. There are bald eagles. I saw one a couple days ago. Well, I'm happy I could trap some minnows. That was fun. Stewart's Italian bread. $3.50 a loaf on sale. But we are in the Adirondacks. Everything has to be delivered. It's not like we're in the middle of a bunch of cities. Everything is remote. That's a hearty meal. Some may call it a gut bomb, but no. not to happen. Did you mean to fry the gravy, Doug? No, I did not. It smells delish. Oh, that smells great. Probably added too much liquid. It'll soak into the toast. And still be delish. Alright, you get it all. I think. Did I run out of propane? Yeah, I don't hear the stove at all. Feels like something's still there. I didn't turn it down. Nope. Alright, instead of boiling this all afternoon, dinner is gonna be served. Now that was amazing timing. The propane died. The propane tank ran out of gas as I was finishing up the delicious dinner of toast covered and smothered with sausage gravy. Gosh, that's good. That's good. And it's got enough sausage in it that you don't have to add sausage to it, you know, to make it a meal. It's inexpensive. I think I paid $1 or $2 for that can of the stuff I'm eating now. Libby's Country sausage gravy. Did you see that? Did you see that? Propane canister just went. The whole thing, and I had a fire going. Man alive. I hope it doesn't explode. I was taking this off. When I got towards the end, it just went psh. But see, it's locked off. Quick thinking, Doug. Glad you didn't stand around and let the fire catch the propane. It wasn't supposed to do that. That could have killed me. If I was standing right next to the fire and did that, and that caught fire, it would have exploded the can. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. More good stuff on the way, my friends.